We all want to live our best life, but sometimes the path to get there can seem daunting and overwhelming. That's why I'm here to share with you 10 hacks that can help you save money and achieve your goals. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a journey of transformation. Hack 1. Buy in bulk. One of the main benefits of buying in bulk is that it allows you to take advantage of economies of scale. By purchasing larger quantities of an item, you can benefit from lower costs per unit and pass those savings on to yourself. This means that you can stock up on essentials like rice, pasta, and beans without breaking the bank. But buying in bulk isn't just limited to pantry staples. You can also purchase items like meat, dairy, and fresh produce in larger quantities and store them for later use. Not only does this help reduce food waste, but it also ensures that you always have fresh ingredients on hand for your favorite recipes. So, where can you find the best deals on bulk items? Many grocery stores now offer bulk sections where you can find everything from grains and nuts to spices and sweets. You can also look for local co-ops or online retailers that specialize in bulk buying. When it comes to storing your bulk items, it's important to make sure that they are stored properly to prevent spoilage or waste. Use airtight containers to keep your dry goods fresh and store perishable items like meat and produce in the freezer or canning jars. Hack 2. Use cashback and rewards programs. Cashback programs are a great way to earn money back on your everyday purchases. These programs offer a percentage of your purchase back in the form of cash or rewards points that you can redeem for future purchases. Some credit cards offer cashback rewards, while others may offer rewards in the form of points or miles that you can use for travel or other expenses. Loyalty rewards programs are another way to earn rewards while you shop. Many retailers offer loyalty programs that allow you to earn points for every purchase you make. These points can then be redeemed for discounts, free items, or other rewards. Some loyalty programs also offer exclusive perks like early access to sales or free shipping. To make the most of these programs, it's important to do your research and find the programs that work best for you. Look for programs that offer rewards for the types of purchases you make most often, and make sure to read the fine print to understand the terms and conditions of the program. When it comes to redeeming your rewards, make sure to use them wisely. Don't let your rewards points go to waste by letting them expire or redeeming them for items you don't really need them for items you don't really need. Instead, save your rewards for big-ticket purchases or use them to offset your regular shopping expenses. Hack 3. Meal prep and batch cooking. Welcome to Hack 3, where we explore the world of meal prep and batch cooking and uncover the secrets to saving time and money in the kitchen. By planning and preparing your meals ahead of time, you can save time and money while also ensuring that you always have delicious and healthy meals on hand. Meal prep involves planning and preparing your meals in advance, typically for a week or more at a time. This can involve cooking and storing meals in advance, as well as prepping ingredients like vegetables and meats for easy assembly later on. By doing all of your meal prep at once, you can save time and minimize the amount of cooking you have to do during the week. Batch cooking involves preparing large quantities of a dish and storing it for later use. This can be a great way to save time and money, as you can cook in bulk and have meals on hand for days or even weeks. Batch cooking also allows you to take advantage of sales and discounts on ingredients, as you can buy in bulk and use the excess for future meals. To get started with meal prep and batch cooking, it's important to plan out your meals in advance. Make a list of the dishes you want to prepare and create a shopping list for all of the ingredients you'll need. Once you have all of your ingredients, set aside a day or evening to do your meal prep and batch cooking. When it comes to storing your prepped meals and ingredients, make sure to use airtight containers and label them with the date and contents. This will help you keep track of what you have on hand and ensure that your meals stay fresh. Hack 4. DIY household items. DIY household items can include everything from cleaning products to personal care items and even furniture. Making your own household items allows you to control the ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals and other additives that can be harmful to your health and the environment. To get started with DIY household items, it's important to do your research and find recipes and instructions for the items you want to make. There are many resources available online and in books and magazines that can help you get started. When it comes to making your own cleaning products, you'll need some basic ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. These ingredients are affordable and easy to find and can be used to make everything from all-purpose cleaners to laundry detergent. Other DIY household items can include things like homemade soap, lip balm, and even furniture. With a little creativity and some basic materials, you can create beautiful and functional items for your home that are unique and one of a kind. Hack 5. Use a budgeting app. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. A budgeting app is a software application designed to help you manage your finances. These apps can be downloaded to your smartphone or tablet and allow you to track your income and expenses, set budgets and financial goals, and even receive alerts when bills are due. Using a budgeting app can be a great way to take control of your finances and stay on top of your spending. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments to your budget to ensure that you're living within your means. Many budgeting apps also offer features like bill reminders and automatic savings, which can help you stay on top of your bills and build your savings over time. When choosing a budgeting app, it's important to look for one that meets your specific needs and preferences. Some apps are free, while others may require a subscription or one-time fee. Some apps also offer more advanced features like investment tracking or debt repayment calculators. Hack 6. Rent out your extra space. Renting out your extra space can take many forms, from renting out a spare room in your home to offering storage space in your garage or basement. The rise of sharing economy platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo has made it easier than ever to rent out your extra space to travelers and other guests. When renting out your extra space, it's important to do your research and make sure you're complying with local regulations and zoning laws. You'll also want to set clear expectations with your guests, including rules around noise levels, cleanliness, and other important details. Renting out your extra space can be a great way to make some extra money and meet new people. Whether you're looking to rent out a spare room or offer storage space, there are many opportunities available to help you turn your underutilized space into a source of income. Hack 7. Cut cable TV. Cable TV has long been a popular choice for households looking for access to a wide range of programming. However, with the rise of streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime, many people are finding that they no longer need a traditional cable TV subscription to enjoy their favorite shows and movies. Cutting cable TV can be a great way to save money and reduce your monthly expenses. By switching to a streaming service or combination of services, you can enjoy access to a wide range of programming at a fraction of the cost of a cable TV subscription. When cutting cable TV, it's important to do your research and compare the different streaming services available to find the one that best meets your needs and preferences. You'll also want to make sure you have a reliable internet connection and compatible devices for streaming. Hack 8. Shop secondhand. Shopping secondhand can be a fun and exciting experience, as you never know what treasures you might uncover. From vintage clothing to retro home decor, there's something for everyone when it comes to secondhand shopping. And the best part? You can often find these items at a fraction of the cost of buying new. In addition to being a more sustainable and cost-effective option, shopping secondhand can also be a great way to support local businesses and communities. Many secondhand stores are small, locally owned businesses that rely on the support of their customers to stay afloat. By shopping secondhand, you can help these businesses thrive while also finding great deals on unique items. When shopping secondhand, it's important to keep an open mind and be willing to take your time to search for the perfect items. You may not always find what you're looking for on your first trip, but with a little patience and persistence, you can uncover some amazing finds. Hack 9. DIY home repairs. Not only does DIY home repair save you money on labor costs, but it can also give you a sense of satisfaction and pride in your home. There's nothing quite like fixing something yourself and seeing the immediate result. When it comes to DIY home repairs, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First and foremost, safety should always be your top priority. Make sure to wear protective gear and follow all safety protocols when working with tools or electrical equipment. It's also important to have the right tools for the job. Investing in quality tools may seem like a large expense up front, but it will pay off in the long run as you'll have them for years to come and won't have to constantly replace them. In addition to safety and tools, it's also important to do your research and educate yourself on the repair you're attempting. There are countless resources available online and in books to help guide you through the process, and many hardware stores offer classes or workshops on home repairs. DIY home repair may not be for everyone, and there are certain repairs that should always be left to the professionals. But for smaller repairs and projects, taking on the task yourself can save you a significant amount of money and give you a sense of accomplishment. Hack 10. Use cash envelopes. Cash envelopes are a simple yet effective budgeting tool that involves dividing your budgeted expenses into separate envelopes for each category, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. You then put the allotted amount of cash for each category into the corresponding envelope and only use that cash for its intended purpose. By using cash envelopes, you are forced to stick to your budget and avoid overspending. When you run out of cash in a particular envelope, you know that you've reached your limit for that category and can't spend any more until the next budgeting period. Not only do cash envelopes help you stay on budget, but they also provide a tangible reminder of your financial goals and priorities. Seeing physical cash in each envelope can help you stay motivated to save and make better spending decisions. While cash envelopes may seem old-fashioned in the age of digital payments, they can be a great tool for those who struggle with overspending or want to take a more hands-on approach to budgeting. To get started with cash envelopes, simply gather a set of envelopes and divide your budgeted expenses into categories. Set aside the appropriate amount of cash for each category and put it into the corresponding envelope. Then, make a commitment to only spend the cash in each envelope for its intended purpose. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the 10 simple hacks that can help you save thousands and live your best life, it's important to remember that taking small, consistent steps towards your financial goals can have a big impact in the long run.